Okay, you followed the first two tutorials and you've got your island. You've expanded a bit. You've even made a chest to put some of your stuff in, and you've used a free torch to make sure it's nice and safe. What do you do next? What you want to do next is you want to come over, you want to ignore that axe, and you want to create a dirt block. Now, dirt can be made out of the acorns and resin that you have been getting from the tree. You should have kept using your crook and your axe to keep getting wood and to keep getting resin, saplings and acorns. You can then shift click if you want to maximize the amount of items, and you've got 3 dirt here, and then you can actually expand and have more and more trees planted at the same time. You can have one of every tree, whatever you'd like. Keep going as much as you want and keep the dirt, because dirt will be important later on. I usually recommend 5 to 6 blocks between each tree, so if the trees grow, especially if they're a big tree, they're not getting in each other's way or preventing each other from growing. This is my simple tutorial on Sky Factory 4 on how to get dirt.